Hi kids, this is the extra fresh video. Here we go. Happy birthday, Tiny Fresh World.
You gonna start? You ready for it, Abigail?
Yeah.
Right, let's start the machine then. The machine started. Here comes the first egg. Let's see what's in that one. You open it? Can you help with that one? Look then, what's inside that one?
What's inside?
Fluttershy. Oh, there's another one. The machine's starting, isn't it? What's in that one?
Now what's
You can't open that one. I've looked in that one, then that's a bit tight, isn't it? It's a balloon.
another yellow.
There's another yellow egg. You open that one, squeeze it. Sometimes do. There we go. What's inside that one?
And
A bed? Oh, there's another egg. What's in that one? Oh, there's another one. I don't know. What's in that one? Oh, there's another big one. Lovely dog. There's another one. Oops. That's Max. Over right. Rocky? What's he doing there? What else is in there? What's that? Oh yeah. Oh, and that Chloe. And this one. Oh, it's a snowball. A little pony. Another My Little Pony. Who's that one that's now? Where is he? A ball. Oh, you got two ponies. There's two ponies in this one. Oh, it's Everest that's come down the machine. Duke, what's he doing happening inside the machine? No, it wasn't a blockage though. Lots in there, oh, Duke. Oh, look, who's in this one, Abigail? Who's this one? Cracker in that one. Who's in this one? Oh, who's this one, Abigail? Rainbow Dash. Got a basket. Who's this one, Abigail? Crazy again. Oh, you got a train this time. Oh, look, who's this one? Robo Dog. And a train came down, did it? Who's this train? Another Max. I'll do that one. I've got this one. The birthday cake. Whose birthday is it? Oh, who's this pig? Oh, it's Tattoo from My Little Pony. Not My Little Pony. What am I talking about? A pillow.